Welcome back to Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative
As you see,
TV.
the fish is done. And the potatoes are frying. Pre-cook my bacon strips that's going to go in there. So since I pre-cooked them already, I don't need to put them in the pan right now, but I'll put them in there towards the end because I definitely want a little bit of the gourmet seasoning and black pepper, seasoning with salt, a little bit of onion powder, slap your mama Cajun seasoning. Good bit of good parsley flakes in there. Okay, guys, it's maybe Banana Bonnie, guys, and look, I've got fried fish here that I just cooked, and now I'm doing my potatoes. Hope everybody's enjoying your Friday. Friday is a fish day, right? But here it's going to be fish and potatoes, fried potatoes. A little bit of applesauce. And a little bit of applesauce. I just had plenty of applesauce, but I just add my little extra stuff that I want to it. As you can see, the potatoes frying here. And you've seen the fish that's ready. So we just got the potatoes frying, guys.
Well, okay, guys, I do apologize that you can barely hear me talking on this video when I'm cooking this, but I think I'd rather hear the cooking anyway. All right, guys. So here we go. Shall we continue?
It's not the fish water fish. This is fish like I like. But I didn't have any. I just had the store-bought bags of you fry. You fry or you deep fry or fry in the pan or bake or whatever you want to do with it. Well, I deep fry that. I would prefer fresh river fish like I just had the other week. It's straight from the river. These are straight from these fries, but these fish are straight from the store. But yeah, guys, so we got the potatoes on here. Frying. And because I got quite a bit of potatoes in here, a little over 5 pounds of potatoes cooking down, I also did some bacon. And what I'm going to do is just take my bacon and just cut it up and just break it up. It's already cooked. Let's stick some in with that and give it the flavor. I use the cooking grease flavor. So we're just putting a little bit of these already cooked. I cooked it on the oven and on the stove before I put this in. So you just break it up a little more. You just throw it in there. Alright, guys. Bonnie Hawkins from Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative TV, guys. That Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative TV. Yeah, and that's what we're cooking up today. Just making a little short clip here so you guys have something to look at if you care to. But yeah, so that's it for the bacon in the frying pan. And what I do once I do this, I kind of stir that in. And then the top to start off with. Then I stir it in with the rest of the potatoes. And then I put the lid on it. And it finished cooking. I don't like to put the lid on it early because my potatoes won't brown that much. But this little frying pan, electric frying pan here, is an older one. It doesn't fry things even, and it doesn't, so it doesn't look to come. So it takes a while. Nothing fries even in this pan. But I like this old pan, so I make do of it. Sometimes you gotta make it do what it do, right? That old saying, make it do what it do. Yeah, because these are fried pretty much. They're frying good. So what I'm gonna do, I got everything like that you've seen me put in there. I'm gonna put the top on it for about 5 or 10 minutes, probably 10 minutes. And that'll be ready. And we'll have that along with our fish. And as you see, the fish is done. And the potatoes are frying. Okay guys, so now we're going to go ahead and put the lid on this, and this will be ready very shortly. You can see the steam comes out when you put the pan on, and that's going to simmer down a little bit. We're going to make sure all those potatoes are nice and done. Alright guys? Okay, over and out. Really done, but I just want to make sure that it simmered down a little bit more. Like I said, I want every drop of the potatoes be nice and tender, somewhat crispy tender. That's how I like my fried potatoes. And as soon as they are ready, got our fried fish right here. And as soon as they are ready, we'll have our fried fish and potatoes. Alright. Everybody enjoy the day. Enjoy Jesus and all of His goodness, His grace, and His mercy. Over and out. There it is. It's my homemade fried fish and potatoes. Fried potatoes.